Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Our towns are taken over by Nigerians and illegal foreigners who are surrendering this country to illegal foreigners every day. You know, when you walk in Hillbrow, you will think you're a foreigner yourself. When you walk in Sunnyside, you will think you're a foreigner yourself. When you walk in Jimiston, you will think you're a foreigner yourself. Because illegal foreigners have taken over our towns, and now they're taking over our townships and our villages. Now, they're going to wake up one day, Le Mohamed Ali, President of South Africa, would have sold the soul of this country ourselves. We are going to be known as a generation that have reversed the gains of freedom. People have died for this freedom. We are reversing the gains of freedom because we don't care about our own country. We are surrendering our country to illegal foreigners every day. We are saying Home Affairs and the police, they must urgently remove the illegal foreigners. Because if they don't do that, we'll have to do it ourselves.
Ikinto ebuhlungu njengalena esho Colleen Malachi ngoba eqinisweni lelonke intsha yase South Africa izinikele etshwaleni, intsha yase South Africa izinikele kuma drugs. Abantu ongathi manje impilo zabo ithanda ukuba ngcono. Ngisho amabhizinisi lawa alula aphethwe labantu bangaphandle ngoba basobala engqondweni yabo, bayazi bafunani. Esiyenza kangcono eyedlula zonke ukutypa, ukuthuka abantu ongabazi, ukuthi makhulunywa ngesihloko uhluleke ukurizina based on isihloko. Ngenza ivideo earlier on ngikhuluma ngoHerman Mashaba, ngase ngithi kune proposal yalethwa yi-EFF eyathi expropriate ama buildings lawa hijackiwe, renovate kwakhiwa ama student accommodation. Ngibone enye comment ngadumala ngoba ngithi mangifunda igama lalomuntu ngamthuthwa la eSouth Africa, kodwa ngadumala ukuthi uma kukhona umuntu ose South Africa ingqondo yakho ivilaphisa njengalo, ngoba inkinga yethu sibheka ukuthi into ikhulunywa ubani, asibuka umnjalo neqiniso lento. Nansi enye inkinga yethu enkulu ukuthi ngoba into ishiwo imember ye-EFF awusezukuyilalela ngoba unenzondo nayo nge-EFF. Leyo nto leyo izosilimaza ngoba noma umuntu eseshiphuze elibalekile nelizosiza thina njengabantu base South Africa sizoqhubeka senze lento esiyenza kangcono yokuphikisana nokubuka ukuthi into ishiwo ngubani. Thile comment, the Expropriation Act came with the ANC government, not the economic fighters for foreigners. Prove to us if there's any documentary proposal for students specifically that was issued by your EFF in this regard. Eqhubeka lo muntu uthi all what Mgcini Ntshwaku is doing is negotiating with foreign criminals instead of bringing Home Affairs with him to process and arrest, which may not be possible. Hence, he had said himself that he advises them beforehand that he will be coming back with Home Affairs. Uma ngiqala ivideo ngifaka uColleen Malachi ekhuluma ukuthi uma iHome Affairs ingawenzi umsebenzi wayo, abantu base South Africa bazosukuma bona bazenzele bona umsebenzi lo ofanele wenziwa iHome Affairs. Usho njalo lo uColleen Malachi oyi president ye-ANC Youth League. Bengisho lento ngoba iHome Affairs vela iwenza umsebenzi wayo. Ayiqala ukungawenza umsebenzi wayo ngoba lo uminister soko we-DA ibingawenza umsebenzi wayo iseminister kusese we-ANC. Uma ke kusenabantu abavilaphisa ingqondo yabo njengalo bhuti obebhalela le comment le, sisazoba nenkinga njengabantu bala eSouth Africa, sisazohlupheka, sihlushwe ukuthi imiqondo yethu asifuni ukuyisebenzisa, sisebenzisa uthando esinalo ngoba yasayinwa uPresident Ramaphosa expropriation bill. Ayisekho enye political party efuneka ikhulume ngayo. Ukhohlwe lo muntu ukuthi noma singamvotelanga uRamaphosa kodwa ngenxa ukuthi upresident wethu sonke, uma esayina ibill is affecta sonke. Uma kuza ama-proposal azokwenza ukuthi impilo zama-student zibe ngcono, ngiphatheke kabi ngoba kukhuluma umuntu ongayibuka i-portfolio committee, kukhuluma umuntu mhlawumbe ongakazi ayi-university, kukhuluma umuntu ongazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani for ama-student. Amanye ama-student ama-landlord bewadimanda ucansi ngenxa yokuthi abanayo indawo zokuhlala. Kodwa kuqhamuka umuntu nje avela akhulume. Uthe uColleen Malatsi, thina ngokwethu abantu abanjengalo bhuti lo kade commenta la, yibi impela laba abadayisizwe kuma-foreign. Ngoba makufuneka sibambisane sithi silwela kanjani lethu izwe lethu ukuze liye phambili, sithuthuke njengabantu bala eSouth Africa, silibala ukulwimpi izimpi ezingasizi ngalutho, silizimpi esingenazicoco. I-Home Affairs makufuneka ibe accountable, iyazi ukuthi zikhona ithumthum ze-ANC ezingafuni Grizina, abantu abavilaphisa umqondo abazoyidefenda noma ingenzanga lutho, ngoba yena nje lo bhuti uyi-ANC. Manje iyazi ophethe Home Affairs ukuthi zikhona ithumthum ze-ANC angeke zize zirezini, zisebenzisa imizwa, ayisebenzisa ukucabanga. So into efuneka bayenze ukumanenja nje labantu, bakhona laba bazobalwela. Asiqhubeke, ngicela uzwe la.
They say they will show us the power of Zulu. Then why many of us are already living in their homeland? These people act tough. We are not scared of them.
Uthi ubhuti waseNigeria ufuna ukubona amandla wamaZulu. Labantu ba-acta tough kodwa benzi lutho. Manje bangene ngisho emakhaya. Usho njalo lo bhuti. Bangene ngisho emakhaya. Banamabhizinisi emakhaya. Uyazi ukuthi abantu abangamaZulu benzana emakhaya? Alibelo utshwala. Nansi into abayenza kangcono. Ngaleso sikhathi izwe liyahamba. Njengoba labantu besho ukuthi bathenga indawo emakhaya manje, ekubazoziphatha. Njengoba eshilo nje Colleen Malatsi uzosiphatha uMohammed, sizophatha Olga, igama izobe simuntu singakwazi nokumbiza igama lakhe, uzosiphatha la South Africa. Ithi le post, South Africans spend 414 million rand on alcohol each day this festive season. With numbers expected to rise. 414 million imali espendwa abantu base South Africa etshwaleni.
Buka nje abanikazi be-country bona bahamba lapha bekhululekile yabo, bona benza imali ibona laba. Sina abanye siyahlupheka and i-country yethu iyahamba nje phambi kwamehlo ethu. And I think into ebhlungu nako konke ukuthi sesihlalile nalabantu sabamukela isikhathi eside, kwazi kwabukeka ngazi ukuthi makukhona into esishoyo ngakho ukuthi bahambe sine sesirong yabo. Kanti awukwazi ukungena ezweni ufohle kahle bese wena futhi uba nemithetho edlula labantu abahlala la yabo. Uhulumeni wethu usesimdedela isikhathi eside ukuthi adlale ngathi yabo, belokhu besibiza xenophobia. Kodwa siyabona manje ukuthi thina siyashona nje siyaphela yabo. And bezokutshela ukuthi asazi ngani ukuthi ubugebengu benziwa abantu bangaphandle. Njengamanje kunama statistics ayinqwabe engawasha atshengisa lokho.
Wena ngakini la uhlala khona, look around you, ubuka ukuthi ngobani abathengisa ama-fruit, abathengisa ama-veg, abarana ama-spaza shop, abarana amabhizinisi la amancane, whether i-saloon, whether ukugunda abantu, whether yini, lawo mabhizinisi lawo nje amancane, abuka ukuthi ngobani abawaranayo. Lezi nkinga esikhala ngazo zenhlupheko ehlasele zibaphethe nabona. Kwabaziyo, ubani owazi iNigeria ehlala ku-forum ku-RDP le yakhe ohulumeni? Ubani olaziyo? Ubani wazi iNigeria ehlala emkhukhwini? Ubani wazi iNigeria ehlala elokishini? Ambalwa amaye bekhona. Labantu bahlala emafletini, labantu bahlala ku-Sandton, labantu bahlala ku-Midrand, ko-Fourways, labantu bahlala koMhlanga, ngoba bayazi, they know their worth. Bayazi ukuthi uma ufuna impumelelo kufanele kube nama-standard. Akufanelanga udakwe i-weekend ne-weekend ngoba uyazazi ukuthi ufunani. Kodwa thina bala sidakwa njalo. 414 million kukhulunywa ngabantu bala eSouth Africa, labo kuthiwa banamali, labo kuthiwa bacatshangela, unemployment iphezulu kubo. Izinkinga ezinjani? Ake sithi abantu baphuziswa zinkinga-ke no-depression nani. Zinkinga ezinjani lezi ezehlela thina sodwa? Sidakwe kakhulu thina, kodwa abanye bamanye bamazwe beney'nkinga nabo bengadakwa. Kwenziwa yini? Niyabona kodwa ukuthi izwa sinalo thina.
Maybe now is the time where the Gauteng police should come here to Begestal and help us fight the crime. The information is here. The people have the information. But the issue is the unreliability of the police officers. Why? If a person witnesses a crime happening, either by one person or a group, they will not report that crime. Why? Because they are afraid that the police will go and tell the criminals that so-and-so told us that you are the one who reported that crime. I have seen police collect brown envelopes, and the people that are in the problem with this are the Sotho nationals that are illegal, and they will tell you, after I kill you, no one will do nothing about that, because they know that they are friends, they're in cahoots with police, and of course what they say is the truth. You go to schools, the boys that are related with them, they terrorize other learners at school. It's a problem, my brother. It's a real crisis. So we need the police to act.
Lapha kahle kahle sihlukumezwa abantu abangasiba lapha. Lokutshela iqiniso ngoba most yabuka the most abantu abadubulela abantu laba, they are not citizens, non-citizens. And le ndawo mawungabheka ngapha ngemva ngapha kunemayini ngapha bathi Kloof. Ngapha kunemayini, ngapha kunemayini, ngapha emva kwami kunemayini. So these mines zonke lezi izibhamu zasebhekestali zisuke emahlathini zize lapha. Izolo ngithe it's around 1 o'clock in the morning. Manje kuseni. Bengisabheka iTV manje ngibheka imovie. So ngizwa gugu ngisitshela ukuthi maybe ama cricket kanye njengoba ku December. Wow, lama rafule ngwezwe izolo. Khona ishaya ngapha ngase hostel, akhona bewashaya somewhere la sikhona khona manje. So asazi sicela ukuthi nje umpresident wethu asisize. Please. Abuye ahambe ayotshela umshweshwe. Alande abantu bakhe ababuyisele emuva, because siyahlukumezeka sisi. Sinabantwana abancane lapha, abantwana imagine umntwana omncane ayizwe isibhamu at the age of 2, 3 ezwe isibhamu, and then so asikho safe ngoba akusizo khona khona bangababopha but amabhoda wona asavulekile. There's no need ukuthi ngeke ukhamanzi ngebhakede elivuzayo ngoba uyakha ngapha kuvulekile. Yabona nje ngalo it's a waste of time. It's like you are writing mad in your head, you are writing mad already, because ngeke ukhamanzi ngento evuzayo. So sisabe sikala ukuthi nje sisize kahle ngoba sima citizen njengamanje into sifuna ukuyenza sicabanga ukuthi singene at least house to house, sikhiphe bonke ngoba yithi sibaziyo, yithi sibafuyile.
Lo mphakathi oqeda kuwubona waseBhekkestal ila kuvele kwadutshulwa khona abantu nje bese tavern. Siyazi ukuthi indawo lezi ezinama illegal mining, esinalabantu okuthiwa ngozamazama, ezidominatewa yibo labantu bokufika bangaphandle. So inkinga lena isihlasele, and njengabantu base South Africa asiyiboni lenkinga. Uma kuvele i-organization enjenge March and March or Operation Dudula izama ukulwa nalesihlava, kusuka abanye bala eSouth Africa balwe nalawo ma-organization. Kusuka bona abantu bala eSouth Africa balwe nalawo ma-organization. Sihlukane phakathi. Basibone labantu ukuthi laba banje kanti lenkinga le esikhuluma ngayo yoxazuleka mzukwane sabeka our political differences aside. Sabhekana nenkinga yokuthi ukuba khona kwabo la ngokungekho emthethweni kuyinkinga. Lokho nje kukodwa ukuba khona kwabo ngangekho semthethweni la kuyinkinga khona. Yona nje into silamlela. Eyomzukwane siyobeka izwe lethu phambili, siyeke imizwa, siyobeka izwe lethu phambili. Lesikhathi siyobuka ukuthi ikusasa lizobe linjani uma sizivumela lesimo namhlanje sibe nje. Futhi nalabo abasiphethe bafanele ukwenza noma yini ngoba bayazi ukuthi baphethe abantu abangacabanga, abavela phesa ingqondo yabo. Iyona nto ingakho besixhaphaza nendlela abafuna ngayo ngoba bayazi ukuthi singabantu abavela phesa ingqondo. Uyabona kukhona lo bhuti lo MMC we-Human Settlement la eGoli, umlungisi Mabaso we-IFP. Ngenxa ukuthi ku-IFP bakhona abantu mangathiwa asimvoteleni lo muntu basiyambona wenza umsebenzi omuhle, abangathi angeke ngenxa ukuthi ku-IFP kodwa kubeka ANC bebezovota noma engabenzeli lutho. Sinaleyo nkinga leyo yokuthi asibuka umuntu ukuthi wenzeni bese sibone ukuthi lo muntu uyadeserve ukusiphatha. Sihamba namaqembu kakhulu. Cela uzwe la.
Nganga naye lo Sinelu.
Siqala sisasebrile.
Umthetho awuvumi ukuthi ube nesitoni la. Sithi ke thina siyakutshena in advance ukuthi sizoyithatha lezi itendi lezi sizoyithatha. Sinikeza abantu abaqualifyayo. Okufuneka be-operate ama-business e-South Africa. Sizonikeza bona ama-South Africans afuneka operate ama-business lana, they qualify. Umthetho awuvumeli ukuthi ungane le-stone la noma ube ne-business la. And i-permit yakho leyo nayo ke singayidispute. Ithi wena uzosebenza South Africa, ayithi uzo-own i-business South Africa. So now we are saying we are going to stand the stand. So umthetho ke thina uthi asisithathe le stand and sithi ke mama siyasithatha stand. So sinikeza umuntu okufuneka zo-operator la ovunyelwa umthetho e-South Africa ukuthi a-operate la. Ilokho yikho ngithi ngicela singayibanga. Ngoba manje ufuna siqoqe umthetho
mina ngiyibanga umthetho. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Usinele ukhuluma ngaye sezwile ukuthi uyena boss yenu la. Usine uyena
angifuna ukugcona igama lika Sine, mina ngiqala imarket lo Sine.
Ngela umprotect.
Ngiqala imarket ukuthi dala 2004 kungela Sine. Vele Sineyanza ke ngenza
umprotect.
So
le into engaziwa.
Siyahamba istand sakho bazoqoqa.
Ningamangali ke the next 3 days masibuya la sizofaka abantu.
Yes.
Ne? Sizobuya sizofaka abantu abalegit abaqualifyayo ukuthi babe na itendi.
So kuyenza lokuthi siye khona le office nisebhalele incwadi ngabesana.
Sizofaka abantu la.
Sinikeza permit yakho iyasho. Permit yakho ithi wena uzosebenza. Permit yakho ayithi wena uzovula ibusiness.
Hayi ngiyalizonda into angeke ndiphikise.
Siyabonga mama.
Mina ngikwazi ukuthi lo muntu abazomfaka wala eSouth Africa kule ndawo lo mama lo kuzophela 3 weeks ingasa operate leyo ndawo. Lokho ngineshow yakho ukuthi kuzophela 3 weeks leyo ndawo ingasa operate. Ngoba abantu base South Africa ngiyabazi banjani. Ngibazi kahle futhi labantu laba abathengisa njengalo mama bafe ba-identify indawo bangene. Mina ngizwisisa ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi kuliwe nomama lo ngoba kuthiwa akaphume lapha ngoba umama lo una i-passport, una i-permit yokuba la eSouth Africa. Kungcono bekuliwa nomuntu okungafanele abe la eSouth Africa. Angizwisisi lento eyenzeka mhlawumbe umthetho usho njalo angazi. Kodwa umuntu onemvumo yokuba la eSouth Africa ebese identify spot ukuthi yazi la ngingathengisa, ayithola indawo yokuthengisa, isidingo sokuthi akhishwe isiphi. Yebo kuthiwa ke i-permit yakhe ithi uzosebenza la. Umsebenzi uma engawutholi ifuneka enze njani? Funeka ahlale asongizandla. Ayilento angizwisisi mina. Yebo khona abantu base South Africa ozongena kule ndawo at least uzothola indawo esivuthiwe kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi izowa lo business ngoba kuzongena umuntu ongena idea ibusiness ranwa kanjani. Kuzongena umuntu okhathalela utshwala ngoba abantu base South Africa abanjalo. Ngiyazi ngineshow futhi yokuthi lo business i3 weeks iyophela ingasekho. Yingakho ngithi angizwisisi lento mhlambe khona ongangichazela ukuthi kahle kahle uthini umthetho ngiquoteleni wona ngitsheleni ukuthi ngiufunde kuphi. Umthetho othi labantu labo usefikile ngokusemthethweni une permit yokubala une passport emvumela ukuthi akabe la. Useye market uthenga ama veg akafika endaweni la kuthiwa khona uphula ama-bylaws athi ungathengise emgwaqweni. Usendaweni eright la afuneka kuthengiswe khona vele indawo le elungisela ukuthi abantu bathengise kuyo. Usendaweni eright lo muntu. la athengisa khona ukuyinto sendaweni right. Kungani fanele akhishwe kuze kufake umuntu waseSouth Africa? Ngipheni lo mthetho mhlawumbe ngizoyizwisisa lento. Angi-understand lento. Abantu base-South Africa eqinisweni lilonke umuntu ofuna ukuthengisa none-potential ukuthengisa uyazi ukuthi u-identify spot uhambe ustock uthengise. Sekungathathwa lapho-ke bese kuthiwa cha sinenzela ama-permit ngoba siyanibona niyathengisa. Kodwa uma ungabheka abantu abathengisa kusuka kwimpahla ama-second hand uma bekhona base-South Africa abancane khona labantu bangaphandle ngoba bayakwazi ukuhlupheka. Kanti yena umlungisi Mabaso wakwakhuluma kanje.
No, but they can't be facing homelessness. You see, this is one thing that we need to say, without any fear of contradictions. When I leave South Africa, going to another country, they ask for a proof of residence where I've booked. So in South Africa, people, they just get in willy-nilly, without even having to produce a proof of accommodation where they will be residing. And that's why you'll find them everywhere in the inner city, in the bed and hijacked buildings, in the informal settlements. They are everywhere, because of our porous borders. So because Home Affairs is unable to stop them there, then we are going to stop them inside. It's not our responsibility. We are not going to provide them with alternative accommodation. Home Affairs must see to it how they deal with them. Ours is to deal with South Africans. Our responsibility is South Africans. Johannesburg, we've got a backlog of approximately 500,000. We've got informal settlements, we've got backyard dwellers, we've got people in the hostels. They are all looking upon us to provide them with decent accommodation. So we are not going to give accommodation to foreign nationals. They're not about South Africans. At least they still got home. They can still go back to Mozambique and get accommodation there. But South Africans, they don't have anywhere else to go, and they are reliant and dependent on us as government. So our responsibility will be South Africans. And I said to the team, we are going to work, we are going to raid. It's only the court that is going to stop us, because we have a responsibility to protect our infrastructure, we've got a responsibility to protect our economy, and we've got a responsibility to provide our residents with a decent accommodation. The raids are mine. Remember, these are our properties. These are human settlements properties. So we take responsibility and accountability for all the activities that occurs in our properties. So if there are criminal activities that are happening in our properties, we have to take responsibility and accountability for them. So that's why we invite other sister departments to come and assist us. And I must commend colleagues from Home Affairs here in Johannesburg, because we are working very well with them. They have assisted us in so many operations, and our operations have been successful. You know what? We do it within the confinement of the law, and that's why even on that day, we did not take any items of the people out. We told them, you are here illegally. You are operating bogus businesses, you are paying rent to somebody we don't know. Can you just leave our properties in peace so that we are able to close? They did that, we closed, but because those that were resisting, we had also to check their identification. Who are you to prevent us from doing our operation in our properties? Then we discovered that there are nobody in the country because we can't identify them. Then Home Affairs had to deal with them. We will avert, doing these operations illegally. We'll do them within the confinement of the law. But we have a responsibility to protect the residents and our tenants within our properties, and we need to make sure that we root out all the criminal elements and activities that are occurring in our properties. So we are not going to deviate from the law. We are going to do it within the confinement of the law. But if the court feels that what we are doing is outside the perimeters of the law, then they will have to pronounce themselves on that, because they are there to interpret the law. Ours is to execute the existing legislation, and that's what we are doing now, protecting our own residents in our own properties.
Thank you, Ms.
Ivikini edlule uDr Mgcini Ntshwako uma ekhuluma nabezindaba ushilo wathi iHome Affairs ayifuni ukubambisana nabo ukuze kuliwe nalesihlava. Ngizwa nanangi futhi uMMC amlungisi Mabaso ukhala naye ngeHome Affairs. Kuyaliwa labantu laba kuthiwa they are no one in the country. Baye kanjani ecourt? Ingoba kunama organization abamele ibona thathe the city of Joburg ayisekho. Nasi isimo nje siphila phansi kwaso South Africa. Uthe uColin Malachi izwe liyahamba sibhekile. Jacinto usikhombisile. Wathi niyababona abanikazi becountry basebenza ba-right, baswele lutho. Makunywa ngabantu abahluphekile kunywa abantu base-South Africa. Abantu base-South Africa bahlupheke ngisho engqondweni zabo. Bafuneka sifundisane njengabantu base-South Africa ukuthi imali isengqondweni. Imali nje isengqondweni. Uma singashintsha ukucabanga, sishintsha ukwenza, siyozibona singcono. Funeka sibuzane imibuzo ukuthi siyohlezi sicela kuze kube nini. Njengabantu base-South Africa siyodlala osopolitiki kuze kube nini. Osopolitiki basibonile ukuthi asiwusebenzise umqondo wethu yavilapha. Osopolitiki babonile ukuthi siyintsha engalikhathalela izwe lethu. Umzekelo walokho asivoti. Intsha se-South Africa ayivoti. Intsha se-South Africa iyimajority. Uma yona ingasukuma ime nje ngeinyawo ithi sikhathele ukuthi sifuna umholi ozosenzela ukuthi ngoba angeke siliphathe sonke izwe. Khona umuntu ofuneka aliphathe. Kukhona abantu ofuneka basihole. Leyo nje iprinciple yempilo. Angeke siphathe sonke. Khona ofuneka asihole. Siyakwazi lo ngiyengizwa umuntu athi ama political party wonke ayabheda ngimbona ukuthi ingqondo yakhe inenkinga ilimele. Udinga counseling. Bakhona abantu aba-right kuma political parties. Bakhona abantu aba-right. Noma ngikwenzela umzekelo nge-ANC. ANC sibeka konke lokho sibeka khona siyisukeli. Kodwa bakhona abantu aba-right ku-ANC. Nabenza izinto ngendlela e-right. Futhi obonayo ukuthi yazi labantu mabenganikwa ithuba bangenza umehluko omkhulu. Bekuyi ANC. Bekuyi ANC. Ingakho ngithi umuntu othi ama-political party wonke abheda athathe into enziwa i-political party eyodwa embi ebese wafaka wonke ndawonye uyagula lo muntu lo udinga counseling. Kodwa nje ngikufisayo mina mfisa ngathi intsha yase-South Africa ingazazi ukuthi i-majority. Intsha yase-South Africa sengathi ingasukuma ilwela izwe layo. Ikona lokho kuyokwenza ukuthi isimo sethu sibe ngcono. Uma sisakujabulela ukuphila nabantu laba abangama-illegal immigrants, sizohlala singavoti, sizohlala singaparticipate entweni ezenzekayo. Uma nje siyintsha enjalo. Siyabonga kakhulu kubantu abathatha ithuba ngesikhathi sazilalela leya video le kaMaduma lapho kwakukhulunywa khona ngeHome Affairs ukuthi kune nje bayibiza ngani la kufuneka khona i-public participation. Siyabonga kakhulu kubantu ababeyingxenye ngoba bakhombisa ukukhathalela izwe lawo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngenza iphutha ngathembisa ukuthi link ngizoyifaka ku description ngakhohlwa, kodwa abantu bangikhumbuza ngabona ukuthi abantu balikhathalela izwe. Ngiyafisa kodwa sengathi i-majority noma iningi labantu singakhombisa ukulikhathalela izwe lethu la South Africa. Asinalo elinye ekhaya. Nansi into efuna siyica ungcono umuntu waseZimbabwe makuphethe South Africa uzobuyela ekhaya eZimbabwe. How about thina? Sizoyapi? Uma nje ngathiwa kuyabheda eSouth Africa sizoyapi? Ungcono umuntu waseNigeria. Uma kubheda uzobuyela ekhaya eNigeria. Thina bala sizoyapi? Angibambe le video ngicela ukuze uphawula kwakho. Mina nawe sidibane kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.